Hello parents, welcome back to our channel Art of Parenting. Today we came up with a topic tracking. So in this video we will be learning about visual tracking as well as auditory tracking. Visual tracking is a fine motor skill that allows us to control where we place our eye gaze. Babies can track with their eyes by 2 to 3 months. When it comes to vision, your baby's development is impressive. From a two-dimensional, fairly grey world at birth to seeing depth and full color with adult clarity, they will be reaching by the age of 9 months. But vision encompasses much more than what we see. Equally important is how we see. So, visual tracking is very important for any child. Now, let us know more about the importance of visual tracking. Visual tracking is important because it helps the child to develop their attention. It allows the child to follow a moving object, scan their environment for information, direct hand movements, and accurately shift their eye gaze from one thing to another. This skill gives us the ability to do things like read without losing our place, write in a straight line, catch a ball, or search for someone in a crowd. Let's get started with the activity. Our first activity is showing a colorful toy so that the child tracks with his or her eyes. Now look at the baby. He is rotating his eyes as per the toy. If the toy is towards the left, he is seeing the left or the right. Now, let's move on to the next activity. Now, we will take the torch for the next activity. So here we are focusing the torchlight on the wall and observe the baby. How is he tracking with his eyes? You can see as the torchlight is moving towards up, down, or whichever the side it is, he's just rotating his eyes in that way. This helps the child to focus more when they go to school. Now the auditory tracking. You can observe the child how he is actually searching where the song is from. Look at his eyes. Okay, you might feel that he is actually looking at the mobile, but now we are going to demonstrate the exact auditory tracking. Now we have closed his eyes. Look at him, how he is trying to track the sound. So now probably you are very clear that he is not searching for the mobile, but he is searching for the sound, where it is coming from. You have already seen the example of auditory tracking. One more example what I can give in our household situation is when you are calling a child from a different room. Even an infant knows that you are calling but probably can't make out from which room you are calling. So the child starts searching for you. So when they grow up, these visual tracking as well as the auditory tracking helps them a lot in the classroom situation where it will be easy for them to remember the maximum content and reproduce the same when they are writing. Thank you so much parents. In the next video we will be coming up with few more interesting activities. Aryan bye Japu. Bye. Bye.